Hello and welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. In this video I'll be making a Christmas star. Begin by taking a piece of paper. It can be any width that you like, but it should at least be 20 centimeters long. The first step is to take one end of the paper and fold it into a loop, and you want to gently pull the end through to create a right angle, as I will show you now. The end piece left over can either be cut off or just folded behind. The next step is to take the long end and fold it back behind your pentagon shape. You're then going to fold it up and across, back down, back up and over, round the front, and then across the front. Then fold behind and cut off the excess. I hope these instructions make sense. Please pause the video and follow that way if you need to. To seal the star, there should be a little pocket on the back, and you can tuck the end into it as I'm showing you now. You should be left with a flat pentagon shape, which we will turn into a star in the next step. The best technique I have figured out is to use your thumb and your forefinger to pinch what I guess would be the tips of the star, and just gently work your way around until you are happy with the shape. Here's 2 stars I've completed that are now ready for glitter. But first I just want to show you this little guy I made. So this one I used a Christmas patterned paper, and I just wanted to show you a different design that you could make. As I'd mentioned, for these 2 stars I'm going to use glitter, so I've got a gold and a silver. The first thing I'm going to do is cover the stars in a PVA glue, and then I'm just going to sprinkle gold and silver glitter over each star. Once they've dried, I'm going to turn them over and do the same on the other side and touch up the edges. And here's all the stars that I've made, some little and some big. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!